Alright everybody, welcome back to another tech review. That's right, but this time it's not from Moft. I recently saw this company called Quadlock who sells active lifestyle mounting docks for your phones and all that. So I reached out to them to ask if I could, review one of their products, and they were like, yeah, sure, we'll send you one. And that is exactly why we're here today. Thank you Quadlock for sending me this product or products, because according to them they sent me a Quadlock desk kit, so we'll find out what it is. Quadlock is the brand that makes products for people with an active lifestyle. The company is based in Melbourne, Australia. Quadlock has been making smartphone mounts since 2011. They've been making all sorts of mounts for your smartphone, ranging from ones you can put on your bike, in your car, or in your ATV, because why not? But also recently they've been also making a desk kit, a mount for your workstation, and that is why we are here. So this package just arrived yesterday. I haven't opened it yet. Very excited to see what they've sent me. So let's get right into this. Okay, I need a knife. Okay, we're done with that. Ooh. Not sure you can see this, but there's multiple stuff. Very nice. Girl, and that is all. Wow, they've sent me a lot of stuff. Okay, I was expecting like one or two, but I didn't expect three. Alright, so they've given me, what have they given me? Let's take a look. So they've sent me an iPhone 11 Pro case that works with the desk mount, and several other accessories that they just sent me. So that's there. So that's the iPhone 11 Pro case. They've sent me a phone ring stand. Pretty dope. I'm not sure how this works. Maybe it fits in the back. Yeah, possibly. And they've sent me a fast charging wireless charger. Wow. Okay, so this probably fits with a desk mount. Interesting. So it says it's got 5 watts, 7.5, and up to 10 watts of fast charging. I'm gonna test it out, see if it works well. And of course, the main event, the desk mount itself. According to the back, it says it's the strongest, more secure and versatile mounting system. Interesting. We'll be the judge of that. See the back over here? Very nice. Wait a minute. Cancer and reproductive harm? Okay, false alarm. Oh, I got a shock when I saw the cancer warning on each of the products. Okay, apparently it's something to do with Proposition 65, which is a law passed in California where, so the state of California requires the Proposition 65 warning to be present on any product packaging when they make stuff. So if anything that's listed in the Proposition 65 database, they've got to put it in the warning. Apparently the products have bisphenol A, which is a dangerous substance if you use it to store food. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna store food with this or eat this, so should be fine. What should I unbox first? I guess the iPhone 11 Pro case. Alright. Okay. Ooh. Well, that's the case. Very nice. Is there any paperwork inside? Okay, a bunch of warranty information. Okay, interesting. Well, let's get you my phone. My god, this was very hard to put. I almost thought I was gonna break the phone. Holy shit. But not gonna lie, this feels very nice. Feels like premium silicone, with a hint of bisphenol A. Oh, I like the raised lip on the edges. I've been always finding for cases with a raised edge very hard to find. I like that this has, and of course the main thing, the little mounting mechanism on the back. I thought this would be pretty invasive, but it's not really. I mean, there's a little bit of protrusion on the back, but it's fairly comfortable to hold. This feels a lot like the Apple silicone cases. I have the battery case for the iPhone 10 and it feels a lot like that. I like it. It feels comfortable. The buttons, ooh, not sure about the buttons. They're very firm. It's a little hard to press, but you know, it's doable. I guess my only complaint is the buttons are pretty hard to press. Otherwise, pretty decent case. I had to turn on the lights because it's getting very gloomy outside. It's 11 a.m. and it's so dark. So it's got the secure Quadlock interface, composite construction, microfiber lining. Very nice. It's got impact absorbers, compatible with wireless charging, of course. That's good to know, considering that the back is very thick, so it's good to know that it's compatible for wireless charging. Now, one thing to note, since it has the res edges, due to the wraparound nature, some third-party glass screen protectors will not be compatible, so that is one thing to note. The one that I'm using, I'm not sure what's mine called. It's been a while. I'll probably put it on the screen somewhere if I am able to find it. That one's compatible, so that's good to know. Yeah, so far, very nice. What? Okay, let's open this guy. The phone ring stand. I'm assuming it's 100% compatible with all Quadlock cases and universal adapters. Comes with a mini carabiner for your keyring. What is that? Okay, it says a lot of things that it's compatible with on the inside. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is what the thing they said about. It's a little keyring chain thing. I'm not sure you can see it, but yeah. Well, it's a standard keyring that locks to the back of your phone. Let me try to put this in. Alright, oh, okay, so you put it like that. How do you turn it? Oh, okay. And then you turn it. Ah, that's an interesting locking mechanism. Well, this is how it looks like on the iPhone 11 Pro. Very nice. Huh. Not sure how to feel about this. Now let's see it as a stand. It works pretty well as a stand. Pretty sure I'm going to compare this particular mount to the Moft O that I recently reviewed. You want to check that out? Link in the description. I don't know, for portrait mode, well, it's basically at an incline angle. You can see, well, can you unlock the phone? Yes, I think you can. Yep, works pretty well. Yeah, the Moft O had a much more better angle, so this is a bit annoying. I mean, it works well as a rest, as you can see, but putting your finger in, it's... Are you supposed to put your finger in? Okay, wait, maybe the... Alright, maybe if I put it in a different angle, like over here. Turn it and then lock it. Okay, so now it's like this. Ah, it's more for this usage than the vertical usage. Alright, it's fairly comfortable. It fits my huge finger, so that's a plus, right? I mean, it's not the best, but it works. But it's not very adjustable because you only can put it here or on top. That's pretty much it. There's no angle you can set it, because when you hold your phone, you're not holding it exactly like this, right? Pretty uncomfortable for me, if I'm gonna be honest. So this is the phone ring slash stand. And if you're not using it, you can just clip it to this and attach it to your key ring or something, and you're good to go. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna set this aside. Where should I go next? Should I go for this? Or should I go for the desk mount? Let's go for the charger first. Okay, this is something I'm excited for. I did not expect them to send this, but yeah, that's interesting. I'm assuming this goes into the mount. This is the wireless charger. Fairly big. Oh, it uses Type C. Not bad. I like that. It's got some indicators on the sides and the back. Alright. Here you got your Type C cable, and you got some paperwork about the wireless charging stuff. Oh, it's got instructions on how to install it to the desk mount. Okay, we will get right into that. I really hope everything's in shot. I'm using the iPad Pro to record since the iPhone is here. So yeah, I'll put this aside. Now the main event, the desk mount. Ooh, it's got nano suction adhesives on the base for stability. Sturdy and stylish black anodized aluminum stand. It's got a gimbal for perfect viewing angles, and you can attach this guy. This guy's an add-on actually. If you want, you can have this, or else it's just the stand. So yeah. Ooh, oh my god. This is giving me some iMac vibes. Got a little hole to put your charging cable. It can be any cable. If you're not using the wireless thing, you can use your normal cable. Plug it to the bottom. It's got the locking mechanism over here. It's got a little adjustable knob over here. Alright, so let's see how this works. Okay, let's try it without that. Okay, so you put it like this and then you lock it. Ah, why hello there. I love this. I really do. This is how it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, and it's adjustable as well. So you can, oh, you can even put it in landscape. If you want to view videos. I mean, this is not an absolute need, but it's nice to have. The iMac Nano, everybody. The moth float was the iMac Mini, and this is the iMac Nano. It really is. From the side, I mean, like, if you're not focusing on the knob. Ooh, I like the gimbal effect because you can rotate it around, put it at an angle. Oh, I like it. Just put it on your side while you work. I mean, obviously this is function wise, this is already better than the Moft O, but you gotta remember the Moft O is like a snap-on thing on the back of your phone, so it's kind of harsh if you want to compare the both, but I'm gonna admit this is pretty cool. Okay, now we gotta attach this guy to this. Right, so you gotta loosen this first. Alright, I've just attached the wireless charging head, replacing the normal one on the top. Fairly easy to install. Just gotta loosen the knob, remove that, put this in, tighten it back. Easy peasy. And I just connected this to a charging port, and as you can see, the indicator is now blue. According to the instructions, when it's blue, it means it's on and it's not charging. And there's a button at the back, right over there, if you want to turn off the indicator in case you find it annoying. If you put this beside your bed and you find the lights annoying, you can turn it off. Anything you want. I'm gonna keep this on for now. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on, and oh, it started charging. Very nice. Look at that. Now it's showing green, which means it is charging. So apparently if it's bright, it means it's slow charging. If it's not that bright, it means it's charging normally. And if it's fully charged, the light will go dim. So yeah, that's something to note. I mean, mean, it works exactly the same as okay, one thing to note, if you want to go to landscape mode, you gotta remember to pull the wire, because it kind of stops a little bit, but you can do it, and boom, you can watch your content, anything you want. Yeah, the way I see this being used is probably in a proper workspace or while you're working. You put it to your side, wear your AirPods on, or put your hands free, speaker mode, whatever you want, and you don't need to deal with your phone. It's right there. You want to see your messages, it's right there. Click it, swipe up, boom. So these are all the Quadlock desk kit. If you guys want to purchase one for yourselves, I'll leave the link to each of these products in the link in the description, and you can get one for yourselves. Not gonna lie, I really did enjoy this. If I'm gonna be honest with you, for a phone stand wise, I'm gonna admit this, I like this a lot compared to the Muff though. So I'd like to thank Quadlock for sending me this to review. I gotta admit, it's very, very useful, and I mean, you can use it on your desk while you're working beside your laptop or your PC, or you can put it on your bedside if you want. I mean, it's got the wireless charger and everything, so it'll work just fine. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment down below on what you think is the best phone mount, because right now for me it's the Quadlock. And also, most important thing, don't forget to subscribe, because that's the only way that it's allowing me to make videos like this, and also gives me the opportunities to work with amazing companies like Quadlock and Moff. And also stay tuned for the future, because I've reached out to a couple more other companies that are willing to work with me. So if you want to check out those videos, you gotta subscribe. And also, if Quadlock wants to send me more products to review, I'd be happy to do that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.